Before processing a card payment, you'll need to enter your merchant details to allow NomadPOS to talk to the card reader within your BladePay device. Prior to starting, you'll need to have three things: your merchant ID, your username, and PIN number, which will all be supplied to you by the bank. So from the home screen, tap Settings and then Payment Settings. In the first field, type your merchant ID and then type your username in the second field. Tap Authenticate. Now type in your PIN number. And once that's processed, you should see a message at the bottom saying FastPay authentication successful. So now that's complete, you should only have to do this once. Next, let's set up your receipt. So tap Receipt Settings and then Company Name. Type your business name here. This will be printed at the top of your customer receipts. Next, let's have a look at the receipt header. This is where you add anything other than your business name that you'd like displayed at the top of your customer's receipt. For example, your business address or phone number. For this example, I'm going to keep it simple and leave this blank. Now let's set up the receipt footer. If you're registered for GST in Australia, this is where you'd type your ABN so it prints at the bottom of all of your receipts. Of course, you could put your ABN in the header if that's your preference. If there's anything else you'd like displayed at the bottom of the receipt, go ahead and type it here. Towards the bottom, you'll see two fields under Email Configuration. When you email a receipt to a customer, they'll receive it as a PDF attachment. So these fields let you specify what the name of the PDF will be and what you'd like displayed in the subject line of the email. So if we go into PDF name, by default it's called Receipt, but let's make that more customer friendly and type Dishwasher Repair Receipt. You could of course include your business name in here if you wanted to. Let's set up the email subject line. Rather than just receipt, we'll add From Dave's Dishwasher Repairs so our customer knows straight away what it is. Okay, we've finished the receipt setup now, so let's tap Back and Back again. Now if we have a look at the receipt, you'll see the business name automatically displays at the top and the ABN from the receipt footer is at the bottom. The last part of the setup involves setting the tax percentage. So if we go back into Settings, you'll see a field here called Default Product Tax. This controls the percentage that defaults into the tax field when you create a new product. In our example, I've already set this to 10%. So now if we go and create a new product, you'll notice that 10% defaults here. You can certainly override it if necessary, for example if some of your products are tax-free. When we create a new product, the price we enter here is inclusive of tax. Have a look at the other videos in this series for more information on creating products. So that's all of the payment and receipt options set. You can now go ahead and create your products.